From tuition to living fees to textbooks and meal plans, the costs that pile up from university can be both expensive and overwhelming. Lucky for you, I have some simple money managing tips and tricks to make sure your bank account doesn't end up looking like this and your pockets looking like this. The first thing to do is start a monthly budget. Start by figuring out what your monthly income is so you know exactly what your limit to spend is for each month. You can plan out your budget with programs like Excel and Google Sheets or apps like Mint and Pocket Guard. Remember to track all of your spending, even the things like your morning coffee, because they all add up. The next tip is to separate your expenses using the 50-30-20 rule. The 50% is for your needs, things you can't live without. These include groceries, rent, textbook costs, insurance, and transportation. The 30% is for your wants. Your wants include going out to a movie or concert with friends, online subscriptions like Netflix or Hulu, and eating out. Sometimes it can be hard to separate wants versus needs, so always ask yourself if you really need to make the purchase you're about to make. Finally, the last 20% is for your savings. These will allow you to grow your savings account and get a head start in paying off those pesky student loans. The last tip will help you save a bit of cash, and that is to look for student discounts. Many small businesses near your school may have student discounts you don't know about. Don't be afraid to ask, because you'll never know what discounts you're missing out on. There's also websites like myunidays.com that offer many discounts exclusive to students. I hope these simple tricks will help you be smart with your money in the future and make your university experience less stressful.